Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. This box was sent to me from Finland by JK. JK is a much appreciated participant to the live chat on almost all of my Sunday noon live videos. He actually lives in the UK, but he is Finnish and he was visiting family in Finland. And that's where he found some stuff that is only available in Finland. So he sent me an email to ask for my address to send me that. Very cool of him. Much appreciated. I love stuff that is not available here locally. This box has been ripped open during transport, so I already had a peek, and it is what I suspected it to be, so that's very cool. Absolutely love it. So let's see if you can get inside this box, because it's probably going to be not easy to open, I assume. Let's see. Yeah, like that. And okay, and we're already in. Wow, look at that. That looks awesome. So I see a Majorette 3-pack. It has a date on it of September 2019, so pretty recent. Oh yeah, now we're talking. That's awesome. So it's got a bunch of S.O.S cars. This is the Finnish one, the AMG GT. And there's a German Panamera in here, and there's a what seems to be a British Panamera in here. So that's awesome. So he kind of made a combo of a UK one, a Finnish one, and a German one. That's really cool. Awesome. Oh yeah. This is the MAN ladder truck. And it says something here in Finnish on the side, which I can't read. So yeah, this is clearly the Finnish version. Also September 2019 date on it. Very cool. Oh yeah, and here's the Finnish ambulance. Ambulanssi. That is rad. Oh my god. July 2019 is the date on this one. And here's the new Panamera in the Finnish police livery. That is awesome. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Look at that. September 2019 also. And then oh, oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I remember you mentioning that. So when I was putting together a diorama on my on one of my live videos, I used all kinds of knives, but no knife was proper or good enough. And he mentioned you need a proper hobby knife, and that's what he included in here. That is awesome. Wow, thank you so much. The Army Painter hobby knife, miniature and model tools. That is awesome. Ideal for cutting in plastic or tiny metal bits. Perfect safety grip handle, and includes 5 extra blades. Yeah, that is just unbelievable. Great. Let's see. Seems to be a letter in here. Okay, cool. Dear CDC, here are a few cars which are hopefully a fine addition to your collection. Yes, they sure are, JK. I know you're keen to understand the logos and markings on your cars, so here's a little vocabulary. So policy means police, obviously. 112 is the emergency phone number in Finland, so now you know what it is in case you ever visit Finland and need it. But actually it's used in a lot of places in Europe. We even use that number here too. ZP on the police cars, so that's here in the front on the hood or bonnet. Code referring to cars in the police academy. They are sometimes used in special duties, which maybe explains why they are the newest cars in stock. Cool. Ambulance obviously. And then the fire truck. So the text on the left here. Pelastuslaitos means emergency services. After the Finnish language text there is the same in Swedish, as Finland has 2 official languages, a bit like Belgium. Okay, so the second is Swedish. I'm not going to try to read that or pronounce that. Okay, I didn't know that Finland had a second official language, and that is Sweden. Cool. HE 106, it says on the ladder on the fire truck, is Helsinki Fire Department, car code 106. 106 is a ladder truck in real life, though it is not a MAN. In reality, it is a Sisu truck. Never heard of that brand. Unfortunately for the Finnish police, they do not have Porsche Panameras or anything else expensive. Most common police cars are VW Transporters. That's a bit the same here where I live in Belgium. And Ford Mondeos. We don't have a lot of Ford Mondeos. They have one Mercedes CLS though. Hope you enjoy these. Greetings, JK. Yeah, I definitely enjoy these. That is very cool. I would never been able to get these. So that is very, very awesome. This one I got from Germany, no problem. But this is also a hard one for me to get, because I can't just drive to the UK. So also very cool to have this one. That is yeah, very awesome. Very cool. So it's kind of, I wonder if they sell them like that in Finland, or did you put it together like this, JK? Because usually when they have the bigger cars in there, there's a bigger spot in there, so these would not fit in the spots that are here. And sometimes there's 2 different 3-packs, so you would have like one with the ambulance, one with the Porsche, and then an extra car like the AMG GT, and then another one with this one, and then 2 other vehicles. But it seems like there's no 6 vehicles of the Finnish S.O.S cars. There's only 4 here, so they probably could not make 2 3-packs. So yeah, very interesting. I did some looking up online, but I don't think I've seen any of these. So maybe the AMG GT. So yeah, very cool. So I'm going to do a live video on Majorette S.O.S cars, probably in a month or so. So for those of you who are interested, but I will try to keep everyone posted in the community feed. I'm actually waiting on another box that also has Majorette S.O.S cars in them, and when I get that box I can do the live video. So these are going to get opened up in that live video, obviously. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much, JK, for this. This is very much appreciated. You're the best, and yeah, very cool of you to do this. And yeah, I'm going to appreciate these very much once opened up. It's going to look very cool in my collection. So thank you all very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.